This PHILTOP radiator is tailored to fit the 2006 through 2010 Sedona and 2007 through 2008 Entourage, so it drops into the factory location without drama. Cooling performance is strong thanks to a dense aluminum core and layered fins that shed heat efficiently, keeping engine temperatures stable even in heavy traffic or hot weather. Build quality feels solid, with clean welds and end tanks that match original equipment dimensions closely, which helps avoid leaks and fitment headaches. Because it is designed as a direct original equipment style replacement, all the mounting points and hose connections line up correctly, making installation straightforward for a home mechanic. The radiator maintains steady coolant flow and temperature control, which can improve long-term engine reliability and prevent overheating on long highway drives or when towing within the vehicle's limits. Overall, it is a dependable vehicle-specific upgrade that restores factory-level cooling performance without requiring any custom fabrication or modification.